Well, because the federal eviction moratorium ended in August, at-risk tenants are no longer protected from being evicted. However, SC Housing wants people to know there are still millions of dollars in aid out there still available. Nija Hood tonight has the story.
Columbia resident Akira Johnson says after coming face to face with eviction, she is thankful SC Housing gave her the tools she needed to get back on her feet.
It was very scary because I just didn't know. I didn't know if assistance would come in time for me, but thank God it did. Yeah.
Johnson says she was evicted from her apartment shortly after the moratorium ended in August.
When the eviction moratorium expired, unfortunately, I was dealing with a more sadistic rental company where they wasn't really willing to accept rental assistance in the beginning.
That's when she got in touch with South Carolina Housing, but the help didn't come overnight.
It was a tough process. It was very long. My journey started in February and ended about September just to get assistance.
SC Housing says they're seeing double the amount of applications as eviction cases are on the rise.
The number of calls coming in, the number of applications, between May, when our SC Stay Plus program opened, and the end of August, we saw about 20,000 applications for assistance in the 39 counties that we were serving. And we've seen more than 20,000 just in the 10 weeks since the moratorium ended.
He says despite the influx in demand, there's still enough funds to go around.
The SC Stay Plus program, which is working in 39 counties in South Carolina, we still have millions of dollars available for assistance. Our programs available at schousing.com.
Winston says even before the pandemic, South Carolina had one of the highest eviction rates in the country. Although the hardest hit were low-income workers working in the hospitality and food industries, others like Akira were seeking help from a state agency for the first time.
I just say, look at all your resources and don't stop fighting. I didn't stop fighting because I have 3 beautiful kids. And providing for them, I have to do it.
Over the last month, South Carolina Legal Services says there's also been a spike in demand for free legal counsel.
If there is a legal defense there, or there is a way for a lawyer to effect some sort of change, we assign those cases to an attorney to handle, whether that means going to court, or whether that means negotiating with the landlord, helping somebody put together a rental assistance application.
If you or someone else you know is currently experiencing eviction, we have a list of resources for you. That's on our website, WLTX.com. In Columbia, Nija Hood, News 19, WLTX.